In today's video, you will learn how to generate lists using ChatGPT. One of the most useful things you can do with ChatGPT is generate different types of lists for almost anything you need. This works really well when you want to gather information quickly, organize ideas, or get inspiration for writing and research projects. Also, this is very helpful in school works. It can generate lists in almost any topic you can think of. For example, you can type something simple like, "I'm learning how to code. Give me a list of the top coding books for beginner." ChatGPT will immediately create a list with different book suggestions that match your request. This can save a lot of time compared to searching through multiple articles or websites one by one. The great thing about this feature is that you can continue refining your request after you get the first response. So let's say you forgot to mention that you're Chinese. You can simply follow up by saying that you're Chinese, and ChatGPT will adjust the results and generate a completely different list that better matches your lifestyle or preferences. This is one of the reasons why ChatGPT is so helpful for research and brainstorming. You are not limited to one response. You can keep adding more details, and the results become more personalized and more accurate over time. This can be extremely useful if you're working on an article, essay, school assignment, blog post, or really any type of written content. Instead of staring at a blank page trying to think of ideas, you can ask ChatGPT to generate lists of examples, topics, arguments, key points, or supporting details that you can include in your writing. You can also ask for lists in different formats depending on what you need. For example, you could ask for beginner-friendly ideas, advanced ideas, budget-friendly options, or even step-by-step recommendations. The more specific your prompt is, the better the output usually becomes. Now, technically, ChatGPT can also generate full written content like essays or articles. However, it's important not to simply copy and submit AI-generated text as your own work. That can be considered plagiarism, and there are now many tools that are becoming better at detecting AI-generated writing. A better approach is to use ChatGPT as a research assistant or brainstorming tool. Take the ideas it gives you, rewrite sections in your own words, add your own opinions or experiences, and make the final content sound natural and personal. That usually leads to much better results and helps you create content that actually sounds like you.